What is up, guys? I just made stuff, and this is Tornado Survival Season 3, Episode 1. And you can see, I built some stuff, and I'm telling you, I did not cheat this. Look, there's no cheats. Like, / game mode 1. You do not have permission to use this command. Told you.
He's not lying. He's not lying, people.
Yeah, I'm not lying. Okay. Just be quiet! You're not in the video, Charlie. Just move. Just go. Why do you still... Ah! No! No! Help me! Why can't he jump up? Oh, crap.
I'm just gonna get some wood away.
If this spider knocks me off...
Oh God.
Oh, I just saw a zombie.
Don't go down. There's a very.
Oh, hi! Ow! You...
I'm sounding like an owl.
You know what? I'm coming down. Oh, crap.
I'm going
Okay.
down.
Oh, crap. I need blockage. 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 Blockage.
I'm copywriting.
No, I need blockage. I just need to heal. 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 I need full health.
Wonderful. You're breaking wood with the torch. It makes so much sense.
Are you gonna live down there?
No. I'm gonna stay down here.
Seriously, I can't take you seriously without skin. I just
I'm gonna kill you all. Die, you piece of craps! Why am I hitting a zombie with the torch? Blockage! No! I need to go back and get my stuff because of those piece of craps.
Big Gamer was shot by a skeleton.
Because skeletons suck. I'm sorry for the skin. I mean, I'll have a different skin. Like, it just popped up out of nowhere. I don't even know why.
Yeah, tell the story again.
No. Like, I was just minding my own business, playing some mods, and a freaking, like, my skin just changed automatically.
Just like your voice.
It's like somebody hacked
I
me.
think it's because of puberty.
What does puberty have to do with it? Are you an idiot?
No.
Oh God.
Back off!
Oh, he was camouflaged with a stone.
Oh, crap. Oh, crap. No, I'm coming out there. You keep missing like a douchebag. Ha ha!
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, let's go mining for no reason.
White house.
Yeah, let's find some coal. Definitely, we need some coal.
I don't need no coal.
We need some coal.
If anybody kills me, I'm gonna...
Coal!
Hi, Mr. Cole.
Nice to meet ya. Oh, hi. I'm Mr. Cole. Good grief.
I said you're not in the video!
Room.
If anybody kills me, if...
Just if magnificence of death come forward.
What if you? Wait. What?
I just love that skin. I love it.
It sucks. I hate it.
It explains me.
40 sticks, nice. I mean, I said 40 sticks. Torches. Ooh, gravel.
Why you need gravel, boy?
No reason.
Yeah,
Oh, crap!
God.
You piece of crap! You piece of... Die!
like
Die!
I say, it's camouflage.
No, I need brightness, like, way up. Because I can't see anything. Oh, great.
What?
Oh.
Go away.
There.
That's better. Better. Temptedly. better?
If a monster comes,
I know how to play Minecraft, Charlie. You don't know how to play Minecraft because all you do in Minecraft is blow things up, I bet.
He does.
Oh!
Such as that creeper.
No!
I'm just like that.
No! No! Hey, at least he damaged a zombie. I heard two. Hey, look, there's another creeper over here. But it didn't kill me. I'm still alive. I still be walking.
And on the left.
How many monsters are there, you piece of craps? Die, 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 die!
Zombie.
How many mobs are there?
Just like,
I need to heal.
let me help.
Give me my bread.
2,
No!
4, 5.
No! Back off! Back off! Back off! Back off!
In the description, guys, count how many mobs he's had today.
Yeah, count. Yeah, count. Count how many mobs have been here. Now my sword's all worn out because of these stupid mobs. I hear water. Or maybe it's raining. If it's raining,
Okay, so I've
no, it's not
counted
raining because whenever I walk
more
away.
than 2. I'm too lazy to count right now.
Die! I gotta go down there. I gotta go down there. I gotta go down there. Holy.
What did
Okay, guys, I hope this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.